Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to show you how to use the Green Screen Do Ink app. For this app, you are going to pretend to give a weather report, then you will put the weather conditions as a background. Before you begin the app, please record your weather report. It can be simple, such as the temperature and the conditions, like rainy or sunny. It doesn't have to be long. Once you've recorded your video, click the Green Screen app, which is in the Technology folder. It's the one with the octopus. Up in the corner, I know it's hard to see, is a plus sign. Tap it to start your new video and create new project. Here are the 3 layers of your video. Your video that you've recorded in front of the green screen will go here. Choose video, add your video, use. The second layer is where you're going to put whatever you want in the background of your video. So hit add. This time you're going to choose image. I have pre-recorded some weather-related pictures for you, but for this example, I'm just going to use the United States map and hit use. Now you can see that the green screen has turned into whatever my background image is. When I hit play,
good morning, this is Ms. Lambelat with your daily weather outlook. Today's weather will be sunny and with a high of 80. Feel free to wear a light jacket in the morning, as you'll probably be able to take off for recess. Enjoy this beautiful sunny day.
now I kind of look like a floating head because the camera is so close to me. So some camera tips would be to be sure to stand far enough away from the green screen so you can get a whole body shot, but also don't stand so far away that you get anything in the background. All you should be able to see in your background is green. If you do these things, your video should turn out great. Have fun!